This is the Candle Show. Ah, what a beautiful day. The birds are chirping. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They're blooming everywhere with all the colors of the rainbow. Perfect and a perfect day to go on a flight. What was that? What was that? Ah! Breezy? Is it? It is. Hello, little Breezy. It's nice to meet you. Oh, it's nice to meet you too. Want to go on a flight? Okay. I love to see breezes. They're one of my favorite things. And here's my friend. Whoa, two. Oh. Oh, and one thing is your name. My name is Sunset Breezy. Sea Breezy. Oh, it's nice. So nice. What? Taking a Fluttershy. Ow, ow, That was part one. See part two? That'll be coming out soon. Yeah, I rule. To be continued.